Good morning, children. How are you all? Welcome to the class. So today I am going to teach you months in a year. Yes, we had already learned about months in a year. Again, we will learn. Okay, with spellings of this month, we will learn now. So months in a year. In a year, there is 12 months. How many months will be there in a year? In a year, there will be 12 months. In each month, they has specific name. For each month, they had specific names. So 12 months are there. Means 12 names will be there for each month. Let us see about the months. Okay, children? Starting month. First month in a year is January. So what is the first month in a year? January. And second month. Second month in a year is February. What is that, children? February. Third month. Third month in a year is March. Third month in a year is March. And fourth month in a year is April. Fourth month in a year is April. Fifth month. Fifth month in a year is May. So what is the fifth month in a year? May. And sixth month. Sixth month is June. What is the sixth month, children? June. Seventh month. So seventh month is July. What is the seventh month? July. And eighth month. Eighth month is August. What is the eighth month, children? August. Ninth month. Ninth month is September. What is the ninth month, children? September. Tenth month. Tenth month is October. Tenth month is October. And 11th month. 11th month is November. And last month, that is 12th month, is December. So these all the months in a year, children. Okay. So let us learn the spellings of the month and what are the specialties we will do or what are the festivals we will celebrate in that particular month. We will learn today, children. Okay. All are excited to learn. Okay. Let us start. So, what was the first month, children? First month. It's January. 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 So January is the first month in a year. So this is the first month, right? So on the first day of January, we will celebrate our New Year. Right? On the first day of January only, we will celebrate our New Year. Right? On the 1st of January, we all celebrate New Year because that is the day of for the starting of the year. So on the January 1st, we will celebrate New Year. And also we will celebrate our biggest, longest festival, that is Pongal. Because why it is biggest and longest festival? Because continuously for 3 days we will celebrate festivals. In first day we will celebrate Bogi. In second day we will celebrate Sankranti. In third day we will celebrate Kanuma, right? Continuously 3 days we will celebrate the festival. That's why it is called the biggest or longest festival we will celebrate. We will celebrate that festival in January. And there is also another festival in January, that is Republic Day. On Jan 26th, we all celebrate Republic Day. We all celebrate Republic Day. So in January, totally we will celebrate 3 festivals. What is that? New Year, Pongal and Republic Day. So that is about January and the festivals we celebrate in January, children. Okay, is that clear to everyone? Let us move to second month, children. Second month, February. 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 So what is the specialty in February? So second month is February. In February we had less days. Comparing to the we had less days in February month comparing to the another months. Every month we will have 30 days or 31 days, right? But in February we will have 28 days and 29 days. If we have 29 days in a February, that year called as a leap year. What, children? In February, if we have 29 days, that year called as a leap year. So leap year comes after every 4 years. After every 4 years, we have 29 days in a February. When we have 29 days in a February, that year is called as a leap year. So this is specialty in February. We will have less days, that is 28 days or 29 days. If we had 29 days, that year is called as a leap year, children. And third one, March. Third one, March. March. Third month is March month, children. So in March month, we can observe, we can call this month as a blossom month. We can call this month as a blossom month or a spring month. If we observe in March month, we can see our surroundings as a greenery. As a greenery means అంటే అప్పుడప్పుడే చెట్లకి ట్రీస్ ఉంటాయి కదా, ఆ ట్రీస్ వీటికి వాటికున్న ఆకులు మీన్స్ లీవ్స్ అవన్నీ కూడా పోయి కొత్తగా వస్తాయి, అంటే బ్లూజమ్స్ అవుతాయి. లీవ్స్ కానీ ఫ్లవర్స్ కానీ బ్లూజమ్స్ అవుతాయి. ఇఫ్ వి అబ్జర్వ్ surroundings, we felt everywhere greenery color. So that is the specialty in March, children. And next month, fourth month, April. A-P-R-I-L. April. So what is the fourth month, children? April. So in April we can observe that sorry, children. In April there will be summer season, summer months, April, May. So these two are the summer months, children. If we observe, if we see, there will be a continuous hotness, heavy humidity, and we will feel very hot in these 2 months. Fifth month, I am writing fifth month also, that is May. M-A-Y. May. What is the fifth month, children? May. So in these 2 months we will feel very hot because in these 2 months we will have summer season. In these 2 months we will have summer season, and you will also have your final exams in April, right? And in May you all are went for summer vacations, right? You all went for summer holidays, summer trips, right? So these two are summer, sorry children, these two are the summer seasons, children. So these are about today's month's class. In tomorrow's session we will learn another 5 months, children. Okay, let us recap once again. So in a month we will have totally, sorry children, in a year we will have totally 12 months. What are those? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So in a month totally we will have 12. Sorry, in a year we will have totally 12 months, right? So today I'll teach you about 5 months and the specialties in these 5 months. So what was the first month? January. So all of you say along with me, January. 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 And what is the second month? February. 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 Third month is March. 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 Fourth month is April. 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 Fifth month is May. May. These are the first 5 months we will have in a year, children. Right? So, in these months, we will have another specialty, children. That is, you all celebrate your birthdays, right? In your birth month, right? Someone may born in January, someone may born in February, someone may born in March, someone may born in April, someone may born in May. Like that, you will all have your birth month. So ask your mommy and daddy what is your birth month and send it to me, children. Okay? This is about today's month's session 1 class, children, and we will see another 5 months in tomorrow's class. So coming into your homework, today's your homework. Coming about to today's your homework, children. All of you open your pencil time books and you all doing daily, right? Like that only. Take one page, divide that page into 2 parts. Write 1 month in one side, write another month in another side. Like that, write all these 5 months, children. Okay? This is about today's homeworks and learn the spellings. You must know the spellings, not only identification. I know, children, you all identifying, but you didn't know the spellings. That's why you all learn the spellings and identification also. Okay, children, this is about today's class. All of you have a nice day. Bye.